Hey everyone! If you're staring at error 03 on your 2025 Electrolux dishwasher, don't panic. It's a common issue that often signals a problem with the water inlet, like the machine not filling properly. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes you can do at home, potentially saving you time and money on repairs. Let's dive in. First things first, check your water supply. Make sure the faucet connected to your dishwasher is fully turned on. Sometimes, it's just a simple oversight. Turn it on and try running a cycle to see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, inspect the inlet hose for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten it out carefully and ensure it's not pinched behind the appliance. Next, take a closer look at the inlet valve, which is usually at the back of the dishwasher. For safety, unplug the machine first. Check if the valve is clogged with debris or mineral buildup. Clean it gently with a soft brush and warm water. If it seems damaged, you might need to replace it, but let's not jump ahead. Don't overlook the filter. A dirty filter can cause water flow issues. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher, remove it, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and reinstall it. This is a quick step that often works wonders. If the error persists, try resetting your dishwasher. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on and start a new cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it could be a more complex problem like a faulty sensor or pump. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. Easy fixes for Electrolux Error 03. Remember, always prioritize safety and unplug the appliance before any internal checks. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.